So now we've unboxed the brand spanking new Spartan SR.
Yes.
Welcome back to another YouTube channel video from Ultra RC Hobbies. It's Chris, I'm Aaron. We just unboxed the brand new Traxxas Spartan SR.
Yep.
But we got some accessory stuff that we need to talk about with this brand new trailer. So let's get the boat out of the way. If you haven't seen this video and you want to check it out, make sure to watch the end of this video and then go check out the unboxing video of the boat. So Chris is gonna unbox the trailer.
We got a 44-inch long Traxxas trailer right here. So this trailer can be used with the brand new SR. It can also be used with your old model Spartan, and it can also be used with your M41. Comes with all the different mounting materials to do that.
This thing's a unit, though.
This thing is large. It is beautiful.
We got some accessories.
Some accessories?
We got some
Whole
accessories.
bag of resealable bag accessories.
Yeah. Let's see what we got in the bag.
Yeah, don't take this out yet.
Instructions.
Holy, that is a lot of instructions. So we've got instructions to put on the M41 and the Spartan. We've got different
Pieces.
post lengths, yeah, a bunch of different posts. We've got how to secure the boat and everything on here. And then this side is French.
Can't read that.
Can't
So
read
you do
that.
get English and French. You do get your adjustable hitch as well.
Yes.
For either the TRX 4, 6, Raptor R, and a couple other trucks in
Max
that Traxxas
Slash.
lineup.
Max Slash as well.
Yeah, it's pretty neat what they kind of included. They also include the latch and the other things you need if you have an original Spartan or an original M41. The biggest difference is on the new SR, it is actually screwed to the hull.
Yes.
On the M41 or the Spartan, it's just double-sided taped. But they do give you the double-sided tape to install that as well.
Got a nice checker plate details for our running boards, and then also our safety stripes for the side of the trailer.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So this is going to have all the LED acceptable lenses, is I guess what we'll call them. So these trailers do not come with a light kit pre-installed,
Oh my gosh.
but
this is
you can
beautiful.
add one. The nice part is, I see right off the bat, is the studs for the axles are all bearinged.
Yes.
So that is really,
Seal
really
bearings
neat.
too, so you don't got to worry about dipping this in the water like it's gonna do, right?
So we found that it does have a little bit of a leg to hold it, up.
the leg, yes.
Yeah.
And it almost looks like it's adjustable, but I don't think it's not. I think that's just for looks.
I would agree with you. I don't see a pin or anything to move it.
It flips up really nice and locks up in place there. So that's pretty nice.
It's nice and clean.
We've got a little pulley here because you can actually mount a winch plate to this for the Traxxas winch. Then we've got our bungee strap here to hook onto the front of the boat. This will be where the front of our Spartan sits. And then we've also got our lights, LED ready light pods right here, because Traxxas does have a light kit coming for this as well. And that'll be on the sides all the way to the tail lights.
Like I said, there is going to be bearings in the axles,
Yep.
right from factory. And then Chris was going pretty crazy about
These
these.
all pivot, which is actually really nice.
So if you're launching or unlaunching your boat, like putting it back on,
Coming
now
a
the
little
nice part
crooked or
is,
something.
yeah, it'll fix it for you.
Yeah.
And I assume this is the latch for like the
prop.
The prop.
Yep, we'll go around where the prop is.
Very, very cool.
Yeah.
Dude, that is a slick looking
It
trailer.
is a nice looking trailer, you know? They
Let's-
kind of use the same taillight design that's on like the hauler with those
On the
angled
headache
lights,
rack, yeah. Okay, I'll give it to you. Well, let's grab the boat and put the boat on and see how it fits. Truth, we got the boat.
Oh yeah. You just get a little hook in there.
Latch it up.
And then for the back one, this will unhook from here. And then we'll hook it on here like this. And hook it back in.
There we go. So now your rear's locked in, your front's locked in. I don't know, it doesn't really show on camera just how cool this is,
It looks so cool.
but it looks dang cool.
And these are all, as well, these are new wheels and tires from Traxxas as well. I don't think they've used these on any other vehicles.
They look like the similar wheel to the TRX 4M
Yeah, those are
hauler,
like
but
1.2 or
way bigger.
Yeah.
Way bigger. Okay, so now let's talk about putting that hitch onto the Raptor. So let's get this out of the way. We'll grab the Raptor and grab some tools, and we'll walk you guys through that.
So we're gonna throw this hitch on here. So first of all, we're gonna put this guy right inside of here. And then we're gonna take this long screw and a 2mm driver. And we're gonna install this in here. That's a real long screw. You almost think it's too long.
I'm gonna say I think it's too long, Billy.
I don't know. You think so? It goes all the way to the base there.
Oh yeah, it does go all the way up. So you can see that there's a pretty tall mount to it to give it as much durability and stability as possible. So it does come with 4 screws while he's screwing that in. So it does come with 1 long button, and then it comes with 2 short buttons,
So
and then a cap head screw.
So I'm gonna throw these in here.
He's just winging height.
Winging height.
So this is going to be kind of cool because you can run it really far up or really far down. You do have a lot of different adjustability points.
I'll just throw these
with
in a
that
little
as
bit,
well.
just so we can get her hooked up.
Just so we can get it hooked up.
We're not gonna drive it or nothing.
Well, we just got to know how high or low it
Yeah.
needs to be, right? So I think it was way too low, Billy. I think it's a smidge low.
That's too low. That's too low.
Yeah, I would have to agree.
So it's got to go like all the way to the top. Do we have this upside down? Maybe.
Maybe we can flip it.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I mean, we could be professionals and check the instructions, but this is way more fun.
Yeah. This is going to be how everyone else does it.
Yeah. I don't think that's going to be high enough.
No, I think we have to flip them out. Because, yeah,
Yeah, that's pretty low,
it's pretty low.
especially when the truck goes like that.
So we have to flip that around just to get our height better.
No, it's too high.
And then that needs to flip around.
Now this is, oh, look at us go.
That's
we are
perfect.
professionals right there.
So they do want this little spacer there to be
to
up
go in
into the
there.
hitch.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks pretty darn okay.
That's
Oh
a
yeah,
pretty good
Billy.
height there.
Oh yeah, Billy.
I'm happy with that. If you're happy with that.
I'm happy with that. I probably just got the weirdest shot ever. Chris's face looking into everyone's souls. So we're gonna install those 2 shorties.
Yeah, we're gonna install these little guys.
He just puts his hand in the way so he can't see
Yeah,
what's
sorry,
going on.
that's me. That's just my hand.
Yeah, we all seen your hairy
This is
hand.
a 2.5, so you're gonna need a 2.5 for this guy.
Yeah, and it looks like the hitch itself does have a recessed
Recess in
ball to run that cap head screw flush so you don't see it. There we go. So tighten that down so it's not wiggly and wobbly. This is actually a pretty cool looking boat trailer and mount.
It is, you know what? It just adds that little scale touch that you're like, let's go boating, but let's also launch the boat because we're
Doing both things.
Yeah, we're doing both things.
Yeah, so 2 and 2.5 mil Allen drivers are what you're gonna need for that. But let's get a finished touch here of everything hooked up. There we go.
Baby.
Roll it forward, Bill. Da-da-da-da.
Oh, that is beautiful.
There we go. So that's the unboxing of the brand new Spartan M41 or Spartan SR trailer. Like we said, the trailer does fit this Raptor R Max / TRX4 and TRX6 models.
And sold separately from the boat.
Good call.
Just in case you're wondering.
So thank you everyone so much for watching. The question of today is, are you going to buy one of these trailers for your current boat? Throw it down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, if you didn't watch the Spartan SR unboxing video, don't forget to go over and watch that too.
Let us know which Traxxas boat you're going to throw in the trailer. You get one.
There we go. So we'll catch you in the next one, everyone. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye.